Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn what is URL structure optimization and what are the best practices to optimize your website's URL. URL structure optimization is improving your website's URL structure to make it more user-friendly and search engine-friendly. A well-optimized URL structure can help your website rank higher in search results, improve user engagement, and boost traffic. Here are some of the most important URL structure SEO best practices. Use keywords. Your URL should include relevant keywords that people are likely to search for when they're looking for information about your website. This will help your website rank higher in search results. Keep it short and simple. Your URL should be short and easy to remember. This will make it easier for users to find your website and remember your brand. Use descriptive URL. Your URL should be descriptive of the content of the page they are linking to. This will help users understand what the page is about and make it more likely that they will click on. Use hyphens instead of underscores. Underscores are not recommended in URL as they can be difficult to read and remember. Hyphens are a better option as they are easier to scan and type. Avoid special characters. Special characters, such as spaces and brackets, should be avoided in URL. These characters can make it difficult for search engines to index your website and for users to type your URL correctly. Use lowercase letters. By default, all URL will be accessible by the lowercase version, and search engines are case-sensitive regarding URL, which means if you have the same page accessible by upper and lowercase URL, you will suffer from content duplication. Use consistent formatting. Your URL should be consistent throughout your website. This will make it easier for users to find the information they're looking for and for search engines to index your website. Use a consistent prefix for all your pages. For example, you could use /product/ for all your product pages. This will make it easier for users to find the products they want. Use trailing slashes. Some search engines, such as Google, prefer URL with trailing slashes. For example, /products/ is preferred over /products. Use redirects. If you have old pages that you no longer want to be indexed by search engines, you can use redirects to send users to new pages. This will help to keep your website's URL structure clean and organized. By following these tips, you can optimize your URL structure and improve the visibility and usability of your website. Please comment if you have questions about URL structure optimization. I will gladly help. If you want more videos about technical optimization, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch my weekly videos. I hope you liked this video. See you around.